Ice in their veins, that's perhaps the only way to describe this version of the Bloodline. Cold-blooded, remorseless, and willing to do anything. The cover for the win. Getting the shoulder up before two.
So resilient.
And Sikoa gets warded off.
Devastating counter. Scouting paid off with a DDT.
He can do it here. Surprisingly quick kick out.
Not yet. Bam! Ripped in the hard way. I honestly can't believe we just saw a human being tossed like that.
Oh, Sabin creates an opportunity. Placing him in the corner.
Here comes a tag. What are we going to see now, Corey?
Oh, man, targeting the gut. That was that chemistry you cannot teach.
Boom, right the button. He's able to counter that. Clothesline.
What impact.
Ah, look at this, just cranking it out.
Just cranking the head. And a carefully measured knee drop.
Ah, kick.
Nasty kick.
Oh, target of the arm.
Talk about dismantling your opponent.
Well, that'll do some serious damage. The advantage is turned towards Sabin.
Jacob's having trouble assessing the situation.
Isolating the arm.
He may have just slowed Jacob down a bit there.
Yeah, Sabin's physicality is in full effect. So much damage inflicted. Got the leg in. Dropping the elbow right on the knee. Elbow drop.
Specifically targeting the leg.
Elbow drop.
Dropping the elbow.
Drop.
Piercing.
A consistent attack being mounted on Jacob Fatu.
Such intensity from Sabin.
Elbow drop on target.
Some showboating from Sabin here.
Ooh. Stops that offense from connecting.
And Sikoa isn't looking helpless anymore.
Yeah, Sikoa getting some newly determined focus.
Chris Sabin is just begging for a fight.
Clothesline! Ouch! Now kick right to the gut. Setting them up. Front leg Michinoku driver.
There's up their opponent crossing the legs into a Samoan.
Driver. Can Jacob Fatu come back from that? Shelley getting the crowd involved here.
Sent right into the corner. And he has an answer for Shelley.
And Jacob Fatu puts a quick stop to the momentum that was mounting against him.
Good chance for Jacob Fatu to gain his wits about him.
Counter into the inverted DDT. A bit of provocation from Shelley.
And there's the tag. It's about time. Spinning heel kick. Uh-oh. Oh, here we go. Headbutt to the gut.
Shelley avoids impact.
Shelley quick to counter. One step ahead there. Effective counter. Oh, kick connects.
One answer after another. Neither competitor giving an inch.
Oh, what a leg drop.
Tagged into the action.
The WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire right now. Kick to the stomach puts an end to that. Dodges out of the way. Forearm club.
Transitions into the pin. Is this it?
I was not expecting that from him at this point.
Super kick. And there's possibly an example of Shelley underestimating his opponent.
Yeah, and this is the... swinging reverse STO plants it.
Shelley's got this sealed up.
From the top. Good Lord, taking flight.
Took a leap of faith and connected perfectly. This could be just what they needed.
You've got to wonder how much has been taken out of these superstars thus far.
And is there anything left?
Shelley has become relentless.
Solo needs to start reacting quicker. Smart, attacking the arm.
Jarring impact. He turns it around on Shelley.
What a headbutt.
He's looking to go high risk from the top rope.
Soaring. And coming down with incredible force. Took a gamble once, took a gamble again, and hit the jackpot twice. Big cross body.
Bang, drop kick.
Soaring. What? From ring post to ringside, risking it all paid off.
Working to neutralize that arm. Just breaking down the opponent.
And Sikoa on the receiving end again.
Shelley's determined right now.
Boom. So much torque on the knee and ankle. Oof. Taking a little tour of ringside, and I guess we're one of the pit stops. And they just toss them aside. Springboard up the top.
Massive miscalculation on that one.
Stop pulling leg snap.
That's going to hurt. Tear your hamstring.
Oh, there's the old.
Oh, disabling the leg with that.
He looks absolutely gassed here.
He has been battered and beaten, and there's only so much more he can take.
Right to the leg.
Oh,
Boom! Oh, my God.
Shelley kick right to his opponent's gut.
Wow, sliced bread delivered.
I can hardly hear myself think. They're bringing the house down tonight. This is unbelievable.
has him in the corner, thinking of the next move.
Just launched.
Stiff headbutt.
Target is set on Shelley. He's in major peril. Oh!